Yeah, I love the statuses that Claude gives you as it's still chewing on the stuff. In the background, some of the things that it's asked me is basically it is going to do something on my file system. Do I approve it? And these are the cognitive things that after a while and you start to compress. And I call this in my work drift, AI drift. So you start to trust AI in areas that you shouldn't. Basic computer science concepts that Chris talked about that we sometimes forget because AI is so finished. When I'm talking to my customers, it's typically not that the model is not capable of doing something. It is that they've implicitly given AI a right or authority, more importantly, authority drift that it shouldn't have. So the tools are built into the systems. The paper that Chris has referenced, this is not new things for us is that there's this faint of intelligence that AI and AI agentic AI has that kind of lulls our defenses is important. So as we get into kind of the main topic of Hermes and Mythos, I think it's really important that Chris and I drill on that a lot of the challenges presented by these latest models aren't the models themselves, but in essence, it's bad security hygiene, and then what tools we have as a result to implement our policy. So with that said, it is now done. Let's take a look at the initial results and see what we have for containing rogue agents. And this would be the mock agenda for today. This is absolutely something that is way further than 80% there. I can take this, run with it, and continue to do. I could present from this. And if there's any minor issues, you forgive me because I'm an engineer, not a marketer. And this would be pretty close to done. And it's also an example at the same time. That statement that I said is an example of authority drift. This looks fabulous. I can guarantee you there's a material mistake in this document that human eyes would have to catch, or some deterministic process would have to catch. This is the gap and the danger with AI. When we point it to systems to build pipelines, etc., if we don't have some type of deterministic system or playbook to reinforce our policies, this is where escapes happen.